The Blackview BV8800 runs on Android OS v11.0 out of the box. It comes with a LiPo 8380 mAh non-removable battery. It features a 6.58 inches IPS display with 1080x2408px resolution. The IPS technology is one of the most leading LCD technologies in the world. True to the Blackview rugged DNA, as soon as you grip the BV8800, you'll find it as bulky as a brick measuring about 17.7mm thick and 365 grams weight, relatively heavier than a can of 330ml Coca-Cola, causing hand fatigue in long-time use. However, on the other side, the weighty body makes it dare any challenging environments, which cannot be comparable to most delicate modern smartphones. The back cover uses the TPU and rubber material by a double-shot molding process. The top and bottom sides adopt screws to help fix and avoid breaking apart. The frame adopts the metal material with fixation screws. The right side comes with a volume and a button with power and fingerprint unlock function, while the left side features the SIM card slot and a shortcut button. Four corners are thickened and rubberized to help buffer impacts, while the bottom 2-in-1 Type-C port for charging and earphone connecting adopts a tight, secure lid for waterproofness. On the front, Blackview BV8800 sports a 6.58 32408 1080f HD+ display with an 85% screen-to-body ratio, 18:8 aspect ratio, 400 ppi, and 480 nit of brightness, turning the display visuals to be sharp and vivid, with rich details for easy web browsing, movie streaming, or gaming. Of course, the screen visibility is relatively poor under the sun, but doesn't make a big deal. Here is one highlight to mention: the 90Hz refresh rate. Blackview BV8800 is the first Blackview smartphone to engineer a 90Hz fluid display. Higher refresh rate displays increase the smoothness of graphical motions appearing on the screen and make moving content look and feel smoother and snappier. We carried out a test with the iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 Pro and compared difference between 60Hz, 90Hz, and 120Hz. Compared to a standard 60Hz display with lag or stuttering, a 90Hz or 120Hz panel will feel more fluid when you scroll through the UI, browse through the web, or use any app or games. Blackview BV8800 is 3G and 4G capable. This smartphone has a built-in GPS receiver. GPS is a satellite-based navigation system that allows the determination of the exact geographical location on Earth. The BV8800 comes with near-field communications (NFC) functionality for transferring content with other NFC-enabled devices. This Blackview smartphone has FM radio receiver.